Yo, what is up, everybody? Bad Vibes Forever Collection back at it again with another unwrapping video. We got ourselves an XL OG orange kill hoodie, white tag. I was gonna say bred kill hoodie, my bad. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. Actually, before we get into it, I do need to bring up one thing real quick. The finger, guys. I know the finger. What the heck's going on there? Or maybe you're not wondering. Either way, I stabbed myself with a fork. You know, got some cold butter from the freezer. And yeah, unfortunately my dumb self, you know, used my finger to like hold it. And yeah, stabbed myself. Without further ado though, let's get into it. Ordered this Sunday. Today's Thursday. So happy to get it so quickly. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down while I open it. One moment. Boom. All right. Plastic is being ripped as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. It is orange. I do believe the right hoodie was sent. Oh my gosh. The seal has been broken. Visual has been seen. Peep, ladies and gentlemen. Now, without further ado, let's do the scoot and boot method. And let's peep the orange kill hoodie. See how the folding was? See if the ARC logo was folded properly or not. Or if it was folded randomly, like it looks like it has been. Oh yeah, the last time it'll ever be folded like crap. Anyways, so he didn't fold it well. Let's save it. 1 second, guys. Oh gosh, save it from its crackingness. Let's go! Okay, so 1 second, guys, 1 second. Getting it prepped. Let's go. Okay, so very happy off rip, ladies and gentlemen. Very happy. So, as you can tell, we got ourselves a kill hoodie, OG sleeve text, and on a white tag, size extra large. Now, I'm very happy because this particular batch, I believe, now don't quote me, but from my research and what I've noticed, not really research, but really what I've seen with these white tag orange kill hoodies, white tag orange kill hoodies have really puffy and I believe durable puff as well. So at least from my experience and what I know, don't quote me on that, but from what I can tell, it looks freaking puffy. It is pretty cracked, but still looks amazing. Sleeve text, pretty nice. White tags aren't usually notorious for being puffy, but this is in really good shape, I'd say. Really good shape. What I'm also really happy about, not only that it's XL, but that it's soft on the inside. Maybe not on camera, but best believe, feeling-wise, super soft. It does look like, on camera, really, really orange. In person, it looks not as deep of an orange. Maybe a little bit of faded, but not like super faded, obviously, because condition's really awesome. In size XL on a Gildan. Inside of these pockets, soft still. And then let's check out the keyline, ladies and gentlemen. Last but not least, see the condition on this. Oh, look at that crease. We gotta fix that. Oh, that crease, the damage right there. Damage for sure. But overall though, pretty happy with it. For what I paid, I'll be honest, can't be freaking mad. There's a little line right here. That's pretty interesting. But all I gotta do now, honestly, is just getting this straightened out. Get these creases on out of here, if I can. But yeah, it looks still pretty good. Again, even though it was folded like crap and whatnot, for how bad, how bad reputation-wise, condition-wise that Revenge is known for back in the day, this is pretty good. This is dang pretty good. Obviously, it could be better if it was, you know, in better condition, or it could be worse if it was in worse condition. But at the end of the day, very happy with it. Can't wait to try this on. Very nice. Got a little bit fuzz balls. Take those out. But yeah, without further ado, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been BVF Collection. Tuning out. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one, and have an amazing day. Bye.